So today we are working on the Mercedes again. Headlight problems. So I went to change the headlight. It said it was out. It said the bright was out. Then it said this was out. So there, okay, something's going on. So when I looked in it, all the wires are starting to come apart. So I had to pull it out. So let's go in here. Shut that. And here's wiring. I had to cut it up. I'm missing a piece. Anyway, as you can see, I had to heat shrink it all. Because where are you going to find a wiring harness, right? Before Christmas. You can see the wirings, it's just breaking. So it was all bare. You see, I just broke it. So I'm going to heat shrink it all. Oh, and to get this wiring out, I had to tear the whole light thing apart to get that wire out. And that was not fun because they glue it in. So I had to use screwdrivers and just keep prying it until eventually it came apart. The good thing is I got to polish it and make it clearer than what it was. I'll show that here in a minute. But first I'm going to finish this wiring and then I'll be back. Alright, so here's what the headlight looked like on the other side when I took it out. We'll do this one next, just so everybody can see. And here's what it looks like now. So I'm going to spray a layer of clear coat on it just to help it, and then I'll put this thing all back together. But I got all the wires redone, everything inside put back together. I'm missing a freaking clip that goes on the back. Goes in there, holds this. I don't know where it's at. I keep telling myself to put shit where you're gonna find it. Do I listen? No. No, don't listen. I'm gonna fire myself. But first I'm gonna do this light. Alright, I went and pulled the other one out. Thought I would take a look at the wires. And there we go. Just freaking great. Well, I ain't tearing this one apart. I'm just going to cut this probably right about here. Heat shrink as much as I can. Screw it. Maybe after Christmas I'll buy some new ones. I think my clear paint is messing up. So that's great. Anyway, I'll fix that, then I'll show you. Alright, I got those heat shrinked. Good enough. Now I'm going to polish this thing out. So here's your before. All right, I'll polish it and I'll be back. So I found that piece I was missing. Stuck to the bottom side of the hood. So it goes on here like this. Really? And then this clips down in here. Down in here. Okay. I hope that's right. so I just clear coated it. And then when it dries, it should look like that. Not the best, you can kind of see the little bubbles and stuff in it, but good enough for me.
Damn, you gotta take that whole thing off? Fuck.
Driver's passenger side bright light is burned out, so but everything else works. All right, got them all working. I'm going to say this is finished. So, thanks for watching. Don't be mad about it. Merry Christmas.